Before you grab the rake and clear out everything in your garden, stop. What if I told you that cleaning up the wrong way this fall could actually harm your garden's soil, destroy next year's pollinators, and make spring planting harder? In this video, I'll uncover exactly what to remove and what to leave behind for a thriving, sustainable garden next season. Welcome back to Fred's Sustainable Gardening family, your go-to place for simple, sustainable growing. If you love nature-friendly gardening tips that actually work, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, so you don't miss out on more ways to grow smarter, not harder. Now, let's get into why fall cleanup really matters. It's not just about making things look tidy, it's about preparing your ecosystem for the months ahead. A well-planned cleanup supports healthy soil, protects overwintering pollinators, and sets the stage for stronger spring growth. Think of it as giving your garden a head start before winter truly settles in. So what should you actually remove? Start with anything diseased or pest-infested. Things like blighted tomato vines, mildewed squash leaves, or anything showing rot or insect damage. Composting those can spread disease, so I always dispose of them separately. Next, pull out annual vegetables that have finished producing. Their job is done, and clearing them lets your soil rest. And don't forget to tackle aggressive weeds or invasive species. Fall is your best chance to stop them before they come back stronger in spring. Now, here's where most gardeners go wrong. Not everything should be cleared. Leaving some plants standing, especially perennials, ornamental grasses and seed heads, helps protect beneficial insects and birds. Many native bees and butterflies overwinter in hollow stems or underleaf litter. Those messy-looking areas? They're actually natural shelters. Spread fallen leaves lightly over garden beds as mulch. They'll break down slowly, adding nutrients and protecting your soil structure through winter. I'll be honest, I used to clear everything down to bare soil every fall. But after changing my approach, leaving leaf cover and plant stalks in place, my soil improved dramatically, and I noticed more bees and butterflies the next spring. A little mess really does go a long way toward building a healthier garden ecosystem. So this fall, don't aim for a perfectly clean garden, aim for a living one. Remove the bad, keep the good, and let nature do the rest. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like, subscribe, and join Fred's Sustainable Gardening family for more practical advice that keeps your garden thriving year-round.